Welcome everybody. Here is a new video where we want to show how long does it work a new RIGOL oscilloscope series DHO900 and DHO800 powered by a power bank. In this case there is the connection between the power bank, which is about 20,000 milliampere through USB-C connector to the USB input of the oscilloscope. We have an alarm clock which shows the time. Of course, the video is speed up in order to understand how the unit will work. Just to make the unit working, we have connected the probe to the calibration signal, and the display light is at maximum power. See you at the end of the video to see how long it will last.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, fantastic. So what we have seen, we started the registration about 11:55, and at 1:30 sharp the battery died. So I guess it's a pretty good amount of working for the unit, and if you have any question, please let us know in the comment. For the moment, thank you very much. See you the next time. Ciao.